yeah!
Big thanks to Napoleon Grills for sponsoring this episode.
It's cheesy, it rolls, it's got steak on top, and it catches fire. These are beautiful chunks of bone marrow. I absolutely love these. I've never cooked them before, but I've had them a lot of times. It's really soft, tender, well, moisture. And the bone marrow that comes from these really boosts up all the flavors in your dish. It's called the butter of the gods, and I never used it in the recipe, and today I'm gonna change that. And of course, I did it with a whole plan besides that. It's gonna be crazy, gonna be insane. Let's do it! This is a beautiful black Angus rib eye. It has a great intermuscular fat and it's all-around steak that's always a winner. But of course the real star of the show is gonna be the bone marrow. These things are amazing. Before I'm gonna start cooking, there are a couple things I need to do. The first thing that's going on the barbecue is the bone marrow. So I wanna season it first. It's just easy. It's gonna sprinkle on a little bit of fleur de sel sea salt. Press it down a little bit. Next thing. We need garlic. I'm gonna chop fine 1 clove. Now spread it on top of your bone marrow, just like that. Beautiful, equally spread. Now some smoked white peña pepper. And of course, parsley. This stuff always makes everything better. And spread it out over your bone marrow. For me, this is the most simple flavor combination you can make for bone marrow. So before we're gonna do anything else, I'm gonna fire up my Napoleon Prestige Phantom, because I think that this grill is way cooler than the grill that Roel made. This is way more awesome. It's got cooler lights, it's matte black, it's a Batmobile. And now I'm gonna set my bone marrow and set it right here in this corner. I want to keep my heat low and slowly let it come up to temperature. And now I have my beautiful ribeye as well here. I'm gonna set it just next to it and also slowly let it come up to temperature. I'm just gonna leave it here and we're gonna do a reverse technique. And that means that when it hits a temperature of 54 degrees Celsius, I'm gonna take it off, let it rest. But for now, just let it stay there. We got stuff to do. First, I'm gonna slice 1 more clove of garlic, the same amount of parsley that I just did. I'm gonna chop up 2 red bell peppers and then follow it up with 2 tiny, cute green peppers. And then finish off strong with a white chopped onion. I'm gonna open up my sizzle zone, and for the people that don't know, a sizzle zone is basically everything you need from your indoor kitchen to the outdoor kitchen, maximized by 10. Because this thing goes so searing hot. Let me just show you. You just open up this valve, push this button, boom. And now this thing can go to extreme temperatures. And you need that. You can sear your steak on it and you can do wok on this. It's amazing. Now let me tell you, this grill grate is something really special. This is heavy duty stainless cast iron. And that's so rare that if this was loot in a video game, it had a purple color and said epic. Never mind, I'm a gamer. And now I'm gonna set my pressed lightweight Scotsberg cast iron pan over the fire and let it come up to temperature. Once that's hot, pour in the olive oil, let it come up to temperature and add your garlic. Now quickly add your onion. And this is really funny, Mitchell made fun of me. I bought pre-sliced mushrooms. Also, you gotta slice your mushrooms, but I'm lazy and I saw it in the store already sliced. It's so easy. And this is around 250 grams. Let the mushrooms soak up all those flavors and add some more olive oil. Now add the bell peppers and the green pepper. Stir it all up until it turns soft. Sprinkle on a tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of pepper. And then add all your parsley. The beautiful thing about this is this handle, it doesn't get hot. Normally, when you're cooking with cast iron, like a skillet or something like that, a heavy duty pan, everything is a hole. It's one big piece of cast iron and your handle gets really, really hot. And with this, it doesn't. And there we go. Beautiful, simple veggies. Now I'm gonna let this cool down and work on a tortilla. And that's just really simple. Get one of these, just a simple pre-packed tortilla leaf. Open up your Napoleon and set it on the indirect zone. Close it again, let it come up to temperature for around 1 minute. Our steak is at a temperature of 54 degrees Celsius. So I'm gonna take it off right now. It's already looking beautiful, but it's not finished. I'm gonna turn up the heat on my Napoleon on these 2 burners because I want to heat up my plancha. And while it's heating up, I'm gonna fill this tortilla. Just a tiny bit so we can still roll it up. Sprinkle some cheese on top because we need it. Now fold it up on the sides, roll it over, get it in there, and you got yourself a burrito. Now I'm gonna cover the plancha with cheese. Don't be scared, you need a lot. Spread it out quickly and be careful. You don't want to destroy it. Beautiful. The smell is absolutely amazing and I love the way it bubbles. I've never done this before, but let's see how it goes. And now fold it over. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And there you have it. A cheese burrito, fresh from the plancha. This looks absolutely beautiful. Gotta be careful though. Oh, is it falling apart? No, it isn't. You know what I love most about grilled cheese? The bits that burn a little bit. And now that I have all this beautiful cheese fat going on, and I got my plancha already smoking and blistering hot, I'm gonna sear this thing off right now. Steak is rested and you probably almost forgot about these, but this is the real star. Mitchell, you gotta smell it. You never had this, right?
Oh man.
All right, first I gotta focus. Gotta focus. I'm gonna slice up the steak. I wanna keep the rib cap on because I wanna have long slices. This consistency in fat is just amazing. And that's why I want to keep the rib cap on. I want to have a little bit of that fat in every bite. And then you end up with a beautiful little platter of great ribeye. Of course you need some finishing salt. Now we got a beautiful cheese burrito. Set the steak on top and then you have this. And this is magic. Pure, amazingly magic. There's one more thing to do. Mitchell, I need you.
Oh man.
What do you think?
Man, it looks beautiful.
Okay, but you never had bone marrow before.
No, never.
Take a spoonful.
Here we go. Oh, it's so buttery. Man, that's flavor.
Yeah, you thought that it was the same as fat.
Yeah, I mean,
Beef fat.
When you look at it, it looks like beef fat.
Yeah.
Like unrendered beef fat.
That's what most people think.
Yeah, and that's one of the things I really don't like.
I get it. But now you change your mind?
Now this is
You need a couple of these in your fridge. I'm not gonna eat it in one bite. Let me tell you that.
What?
No.
What?
Okay. Why do you make this a thing? Now I can't undo it. Okay, let's go for it then.
Okay, go then.
No.
No, I'm just a spectator. Come on. I'm here to encourage you. There you go. I don't know how you pulled that off, but...
For the sake of the recipe, don't do the fire thing at the end.
No, it's a bit overpowering.
It's overpowering.
But tasty. I mean, if you like straw rum, then...
Oh yeah.
But wait, there's more.
We made one for the website and I gotta try this without the straw rum because I think this is a really cool gimmick. This is
really
the star.
Firmed up very well.
I love it, how it holds.
Cheers.
Cheers. I love cheese. I love a lot of cheese. Get me some cheese and I will be happy. I want to thank everybody that's seeing this video right now. You're down here with us in the comment section, still watching us. I like that. And I hope to see you guys next time. And I'll hope you're gonna make this recipe. Either do the veggie thing or the bone marrow thing, but at least try one of them. I wrote them down in a recipe, the link is down below, and I put all my heart in. Eet smakelijk and keep on
grilling, man.
grilling, man.
You gotta feed your dog.
They can't see the dog anymore. We
No.
raised the table.
Ava's here, of course, as always, waiting for a piece of meat.
That's really delicious steak.
Yeah, man.